And my goal at the beginning was basically to reduce or eliminate stress, all kinds of stress, and to be calmer and also maybe trust more. And what I've noticed, there are still unknowns in my life, like all of us, and I'm calmer. And in the clinic, when I'm with my with clients, it's not that I don't care, because I do care, but I don't put so much pressure on myself to perform. So that's been really nice.
That I was having a really hard time with a whole bunch of multidimensional stuff. So it was a good opportunity to practice my Qigong. And, I've been making these shifts where I can't remember the last time I'm in battle mode. So that's good. And I'm not getting supercharged and I'm not in reacting mode. So that's been really helpful. In my problem solving mode, maybe I can collaborate with my spirit, like purposefully, like just don't allow my mind to be the problem solver. Like, how can I tap into another good word for me, the universal wisdom, take a breath, and my problem solving will get better. It definitely has helped me figure out a path where I can be a lot less stressed managing through those. You get it? So that was a big one for me.